The forces of globalization have had a major impact on all aspects of business, including training and development. Global companies now have more competition than ever. They have to compete not only for customers, but they also have to compete for employees. Globalization has made it more challenging for these companies to recruit, hire, and train their employees. It has also increased the likelihood that any one individual manager will work with an employee from another country, from another culture that is very different from their own. Unfortunately, too many managers are not prepared to work with expatriates and immigrants. They don't have the cultural competence that they need in order to work with these individuals, in order to communicate with them, motivate them, improve their performance. Not only do managers need some type of specialized training to help them build the competencies that they will need to work with people from other countries, but employees themselves also need some type of cross-cultural training, some type of preparation to help them work with both their supervisors and their colleagues.